Ooh, who did your hair?
What you say? Yup, I fingered myself. Finger Coils by Lewis. Book now. 10,000 deposit fee minimum. Hey guys, it's the number 17. Okay, try that again. Hey guys, it's the number 17 Supreme Lou Diggity. Hope you can, let me back up a little bit. For today's video, I'm going to be fingering myself and turning this broccoli on top of my head into beautiful, luscious finger coils. Throughout my 22 years of living, I have rocked various hairstyles. However, the finger coils have always been one of my favorites because they're the easiest to do. And they cost me nothing. I do also love a good set of cornrows, but paying $40 for the braids and another $30 for a lineup is crazy. Without further ado, let's get started. I sound like I'm about to teach y'all how to cook a meal. I can't cook. I managed to set dry pasta on fire. It was in literal flames. In order to do this, you will need to be in the shower. I find it very convenient to have access to water without spraying it from a bottle or having to bend a full 90 degrees into a sink. Excuse me. If your place of residence has multiple people using one bathroom like myself, make sure you are doing this at a time when the bathroom is not needed as often. I'm unemployed, so I usually have the crib to myself all day. Besides when people have the day off, specifically on days when I'm filming. All right, time to get in the shower. Guys, is my body tea? It better be. I can't be running and hitting the gym for no reason. First things first, wet your hair. Give it a second, it'll warm up. Really get in there. Allow your hair to absorb the water like a sponge. Grab your shampoo, whatever you have will work just fine. I'm using the Wild Cherry Blossom Softening Shampoo with a rich lather. We got this from Family Dollars for like $5 and it works just fine. If I'm bald in 10 years, I'm gonna be pissed. Ah, it's burning my eye. Now we rinse. Now we part the hair into 4 parts. I would say equal parts, but mine are never equal. As you can see, you can start on whatever part you want, but I prefer the back, specifically the left back. For me as a righty, it's the hardest section. And towards the end when my arms are tired, I'd rather not have to hold my arms back there. Okay, the only thing that you really need to complete this look is conditioner. It could be leave-in, regular, curl cream, curl enhancing smoothies, whatever. They're all the same. I used to also use gel with the conditioner, but my scalp couldn't handle how often I would scratch my head because of how itchy it was. So start with the conditioner of your choice. Grab a dime-sized amount. Just kidding, whatever you feel is appropriate. Apply it to your part. Grab your comb, or in this case your Grab your comb, or in this case your pick, and start detangling. Start from the bottom and work your way up. It's just easier and it won't pull on your hair. As much, at least. Oh my God. Oh. Now you're going to section a row from your part, grab a piece of hair from that row, and start wrapping your hair around your finger continuously. Once you feel like the twist has reached your scalp or close to it, let your finger loose. Boom! Your first finger coil. Keep going until you finish the row. Once that row is done, section off another row and go at it again. One part done, 3 more to go. Right. Now we move on to the right back. Wet the part again because while you were working on this one was drying up and has like no water, no conditioner. So it's very like dead, you know? So resurrect it. Same thing, add conditioner, detangle, section off a row, wrap around your finger. Boom, row done.
I don't wanna be tempted.
Bow, bow, bow. 2 down, 2 to go. Ew. All right, now we're gonna work on the front left part because the front right is the easiest. That might have been too much. For the front parts, I like to have everything fall forward. So it's like a nice 360 bowl like feeling, you know? Y'all see that? One more to go. The last time I finger coiled my hair was when I went to go visit my friend Nick in New York. Wait, no, it was one of the times when I went to the Cape to go visit my friend Thor. I was gonna say because I'm visiting my friend Nick in Boston tomorrow. He's a year younger than me, so he's still in school. Like downpouring. He texted me and asked me if I was doing anything this week, and I was like, no. And then he was like, you should come visit. And I was like, okay. I've been having a hard time trying to get myself to visit my old school. Like I didn't just graduate. Because I don't want to be seen as like one of those people that like go back to high school after they graduate and they're like, yeah, I remember when this was like this and this was like that. So I kind of just like been avoiding school at like all costs for no reason either, because like it doesn't really matter. But just like something in me's like, you're grown now, like let it go. But he asked me to come hang out and I was like, why not? Because like Nick's the best, so we're going there. If you guys want a vlog of that, like let me know. And done. Wow, it actually took me around 2 hours. I started around 12 and it's 2 o'clock right now, so. All right, hair is done. Let me wash my body, let the hair dry a little bit, and I'll show you guys the final look. This is the final look. Let me give y'all a full 360. Curls are moving, they're juicy and bouncy, all of the above. So that was it for today's video. If you liked today's video, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. Comment content ideas you want me to do. And I'll catch y'all on the next one. The number 17 Supreme is officially signing off. Lou Diggity. I'm so happy that I fingered myself.